Hi guys, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 Accessories, and today we're very excited to show you guys the MV Triton Roll R cover and armor bar. And you can see that behind me. I'm going to go through all of the features with you in hopefully under 60 seconds. It is the only one that can be operated from your mobile phone, from voice activation, from your factory remote, and from a built-in touchpad. And I'll show you how that works. Simply double tap your factory remote and you can see the unit opening. I'm going to come around here and also pause it using that built-in touchpad on the side rails. And as I mentioned, your mobile phone can continue that operation in an open or a close. Once it's open, you're going to have the smallest canister on the market with the biggest LED light on the market as well, a full retraction canister, 4 points of drainage for water, and it's the only cover that's 100% manufactured in Australia. Moving on to the armor bar, it's an alloy sports bar, really suits the vehicle in terms of aesthetics. It's lightweight, it's not going to rust, it's very simple to install, and of course it goes both on tub and directly onto the Roll R cover. So that's the MV Triton roll top. Now we're going to have that for no sports bar, the factory A-frame sports bar, the armor bar that you can see, and soon the sail plan as well. For any more information, please visit www.hsputelids.com or follow us on our social media at HSP4x4.